we are going to be learning a fantastical chapter called Safe Handling of Food. So, our first point is wash your hands before cooking. Your mother cooks food in this U shape. Look at this U, and they open a lid like this. Okay, this is a utensil, they cook food with it and they keep the food inside it and then they place it on the gas stove and then burn the gas stove and the food will kept cooking. So, before cooking the food, told your mother to wash their hands because their hands has a lot of bacteria before cooking because they do lot of works. So when they wash their hands, the bacteria will be off. If they not wash their hands, the bacteria. This is a bacteria and this is a virus. Viruses are small and are commonly circle shaped and the bacteria are stick shaped. See how long is the bacteria, but the virus is too smaller than the bacteria. If they are stuck in your mother's hand, this is a cell, they stuck. If your mother kept cooking, here the bacteria fall off and go into the food. And our next is the utensils for cooking food should be neat and clean. If they are not neat and clean, the bacteria will stay in them and causing infection to other people. And our third is wash vegetables before cooking. Vegetables just like the cucumber and brinjal, before cooking them, first wash the vegetables because the vegetables also had been the virus and the fungi and bacteria. So we should be more careful and wash them so these two will not be there and the food will be safe. So bringing back to the question, the bacteria and the virus, and here is our fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prick grains properly before cooking food. This is a utensil and it placed on the gas stove and it is burning. So see, if we pick the grains properly, there will be more grains, there will be more exhausting. If more grains there will be loss and less grains there will be also loss. So pick the properly grains. Okay? Nails should be kept short. If the nail should be longer, the bacteria and fungi take place and stay in the nail. You don't see the nails has no space between the skin. They has a little bit space between the skin. And there the bacteria and fungi can live. So, if the nails one cell should fall in the food, there will be cause to everybody diseases. Okay? Now to our fifth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nails. Always kept the food covered. If we kept the food covered, there will be low chances that the flies, house flies, will be fall into the food and cause diseases. Fall into the food and cause diseases to everybody. So let's make these signs so we don't forget who part is it. So this is avoid tasting food while cooking. Everyone should be follow this rule. So here always keep the food covered. ये तो हो गया था. Avoid tasting food while cooking. this is a bad habit known in India. And also, if our saliva has these two naughty agents, they will get dysfunction and affect all the people who eat our food. Let's make a sign. Take food at a clean place free from flies. Do you know the flies? Here I am drawing a fly. So this is a fly. When it falls in the food, it will get dysfunction if the fly's tummy has bacteria and virus. Also, always every fly has these two naughty agents. If it fall in the food will get be just like opinionated. It is full of bacteria now because the fly fall down. And now if somebody eat this bowl of food, it will get diseases. So if we kept a plate on this food, the fly will fall on the top and will not reach the food. So the food will be safe. So I am repeating this sentence. Take food at a clean place free from flies. Means a clean place, the nighty and tidy and clean here. And this is a bad place and this is a clean place. So if we kept here the food, it will be not poisonous. But if we kept here the food, the flies will come and originate the food. But if we kept here, the flies will not come because here this is not a dirty place. So this is free from these flies whose tummy contain these ones. Okay. If you are in the open, always use mosquito net to prevent the mosquito to fall in these foods. So we have done with the mosquitoes. So let's bring the mosquito at home. And if we use the mosquito net, the flies will not get inside the food if we are in the open. Okay, in the open, these naughty ones contains the tummy, these naughty ones. So let's get here. Wash hands properly before taking food. If we wash hands properly, I am drawing a hand. Our hand contains these types of agents which are in here. Here are the agents. If we wash our hands, these agents will be removed and our hands kept safe. If these agents are still and we don't wash our hands, then we should eat with the food with our bare hands and the food will get dirty from that time. So washing keeps us stay from us, and washing also prevents the stingy pinworms. Here is a pinworm. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more of our videos. Jai Hind.